Imagine yourself in this 2007 Cadillac DTS. Travel the roads in style and comfort in this great vehicle. With a reliable engine that responds smoothly to its automatic transmission. Stand out from the crowd with premium wheels. Heated seats comfort you on cold winter days. There's nothing like a sunroof on a nice day. And memory settings are one of many features. An included Carfax Vehicle History Report allows you to purchase with confidence and the knowledge that your buy was a smart choice. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this vehicle: power mirrors, an AM/FM stereo, an adjustable tilt steering wheel. Call today to schedule a test drive.